Excel class.
Welcome to the third lecture of the AutoCAD. In this lecture, I will teach you the difference between first angle of projection and the third angle of projection. This is very important for the 2D drawing, as when you will be doing 2D drawing, first you should know in which projection you will be doing or drawing 2D drawing. So let's start. So let me open AutoCAD. So here I have explained the difference between first angle of projection and the third angle of projection. Before starting this, let me tell you that you might have familiar with this, that we have a 4-quadrant system. Means when we are in 2D plane, we have 4 quadrants: first, second, third and fourth. Well, in first angle projection and the third angle projection, the first difference is that the front view will be in the first angle projection, and in third angle projection, front view will be in the third angle. You may have noticed that when I am saying first angle projection, front view will be in the first quadrant, and in third angle projection, front view will be in the third quadrant. So this one is familiar. So this is the basic difference. But the question is, what is the front view? What is the side view? What is the top view? To explain this one, I want to show you a picture having a 3D model and its 3 projections. So I will explain this one on here. Well, here is a 3D model. Why we are seeing it is 3D? Because it has direction, it has dimension on x-axis, it has dimension on another y-axis, and it has also dimension on another z-axis. So x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, this 3D model has the dimensions. Let me show you how much views this 3D object has. Well, it has a 6 total number of views. How it is 6? Front view and the back view, right side view and the left side view, and the top view and the bottom view. Total number of views are 6. In these all views, most important view is the front view, as other views will be depending on the front view. So what could be the possible front view of any object? In front view, maximum features would be shown. Let's discuss this example. And this is a 3D object. This right side, if I suppose that this is the front, so this is the right side and this is the left side. This right side and left sides are showing less number of features as compared to this view. So I will be saying this one is the front because it is covering most features as compared to others. If I fix this one is the front view, so according to this view, as this one is the front view, this will be with the back view, this will be the right, this will be the left, this will be the top, and this will be the bottom view. So total views are 6. One thing, and second thing, when you fix your front view, other views will be the side, right, left side, top, bottom, and the back. But important thing is that in total number of 6 views, you can use even 3 views to demonstrate your drawing according to the drawing tool. What I am saying that in front and back you can show only one view, that is a front view, and front view is here as it is written here. From right side and left side view, you can show only one view. Let's suppose I'm showing the right side view, that's shown here. And in top and bottom, you can show only one view. Suppose I'm showing that's the top view. So I'm not showing bottom view, I'm not showing back view, I'm not showing the other side view, because according to the rule, these three views will be showing the all dimensions of this 3D model. So these three views are the sufficient. So our topic was the difference between first angle of projection and the third angle of projection. And here, as I told first point that in first angle of projection, your front view will be in the first quadrant, and in third angle of projection, your front view will be in the third quadrant. Second difference, that in first angle of projection, as your front view in first quadrant, other views will be depending upon this front view. But the second difference is that you will be showing top view on the bottom of the front view and right side view on the left of the front view. Let me write here. This is not left side, this is the right side. Okay. So in first angle projection, your top view will be in the bottom and your right side view will be in the left. Have you noticed? I am saying top on the bottom of the front and right side on the left. Means second difference is that in first angle projection, you will be showing view on the opposite side. Means top on the bottom view, top view will be on the bottom and right side view will be in the left side. What will be in the third angle projection? In third angle projection, you will be showing the view on the same side of the front view. This one is the right view. Where in third angle projection, you are showing the right side view on the right side of the front, and top view will be showing on the top of the front. Means top will be on the top of the front and right side view will be on the right side of the front view. So let me explain from this picture. As suppose these are the four quadrants. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. As front view is showing on the first quadrant, it means that it would be the example of the first angle of projection. So top view will be on the bottom of the front view and right side view will be in the left side of the front view, because in first angle of projection you will be showing other views on the opposite side of the front view. So this one is the example of the first angle of projection. Suppose I want to show these dimensions according to the third angle of projection. What will be the difference in that? In that this front view will be in this third quadrant, first, second, third, and fourth. So front view will be in the third quadrant, and your side view will be left side view will be in the right side. Means this view side view will be in the right side, and this top view will be on the top of the front view. So that would be the case of the third angle of projection, and here is the case of the first angle of projection. One more thing you might have noticed that in third angle projection, you can understand the fact easily. Means that you will be on the top and right view will be in the right side. Another thing, when you will be seeing your 3D objects, there is a possibility all features could be possible and all features could not be possible. Just like case here is the front, here is the top, here is the side. So when you will be seeing your view from the front, so these features are visible. You will be showing visible feature by the solid line, and you will be showing hidden feature with the dotted line. Suppose here's a top view. When you will be seeing this object from the top, this feature is visible, this one is visible, this one is visible, but this circular feature is not visible. Means circular feature and are not visible. So when I will be seeing this object from the top, so hidden feature will be shown by the dotted line and visible feature will be shown by the solid lines. Come here on the right side view, which is showing on the left side. So when you will be seeing this object from right side, this one is visible, this one is visible, but this bottom side is not visible. So when you will be seeing from the right side, you will be showing its dimension by the dotted lines. So another, when you will be seeing from the right side, the upper part of this circular feature will not be visible and will not be visible, and you will be showing this by the dotted lines. So here's the front, top and the side view. So this is all for today lecture. If you have any questions, you can ask. Okay, see you next time.